Hi everybody! Today we're going to be talking about motor skills, both fine motor skills and gross motor skills, and these are important for kindergarten readiness because those big muscle groups help them to do things like sit still, which helps them pay more attention in class. It also helps develop those muscles that they need. And with motor skills, it's with the fine motor skills, it helps them develop the muscles that they need for writing. So there's a lot of different ways that we can do that. So for gross motor skills, which is those big muscle groups, we just want them moving those muscles. So that could be being out on the playground, climbing activities, things of that nature. Also, you can do jump rope. You can do a lot of things just in your backyard at home, hula hoop, since it's more difficult to get out to the park these days. Just anything that engages all of their muscle groups. So jumping. Another one that I like to do with the kids is freeze dance. That's super big, goes over well every time. They love freeze dancing. Pick any song, have them dance as crazy as they want to. You can have them mix it up. You can do slow, you can do fast, any kind of dancing, different styles, and then hit that freeze, have them freeze like statues. That's always something that I find that they really enjoy. And for the fine motor skills, we have a number of different things that we can do. A lot of these things are you probably already have around your house, really low maintenance things to make or find. You want to practice with zippers and buttons. So you can practice with anything at home that you have that has zippers on it, jackets and dresses, pants, whatever you have. Also, you can get just regular zippers. We got these, I believe, at just a fabric store. And so just have them work on using those fine motor skills to match up the zippers and zipping and unzipping. Another thing that you can do is you can go to your local hardware store and you can get just regular nuts and bolts. So these are fun because it's something that's so simple, but it'll engage those tiny finger skills. So it helps them with that dexterity. And again, it's just something that's really easy, something simple. You might already have it in your garage. When we were doing our Let's Get Ready for Kindergarten program here at the library in years past, these have been a big fan favorite. So again, something that's really basic. Also with fine motor skills, you want to work on those scissor skills. So all you need to do is just take some scrap pieces of paper. You can do any kind of little mazes on them that you want. We have a whole variety here. You can get safety scissors at the dollar store, and then you're just going to have them practice cutting on those lines. So just following the maze that you've made for them. And some of these are going to be a lot trickier, so it's important to just encourage them to keep trying their best, and that it might not be perfect, but to just continue working at it. So that's another option. Finally, we've got our sensory bin here. So we made this. We just have a whole bunch of rice that we poured in here, and we mixed it in with all different kinds of things. So we have different letters, we have buttons, little tiny dinosaurs. So what you might want to do is just pick out a challenge for them to do. Say, find me all of the things in here that are red. You can get these big tweezers here, just jumbo tweezers. You can get those online or at any kind of learning store, and then have them use the tweezers here to pull out the things that are red. So that helps with those pincer skills, which are great for writing. So here we go. And again, just encourage them. They're gonna wanna take their hand and reach in and grab it, but just encourage them to stick with the tweezers. So there you go. This is another fun one that the kids really enjoy. It's like a little treasure hunt for them. But just a warning, it can get a little ricey when you're using this activity. So make sure that you set it up somewhere that'll be easy to clean. So we hope that you enjoyed this lesson. And that you found some great activities that you can do at home to help your little guy get ready for kindergarten. Bye.